Hello kids, today we are going to start sound of SH. As you know that SH is a digraph and its sound is sh. Its sound is sh. Let's read these words. Sh, I, P, ship. Sh, I, P, sheep. Doubly means you have to produce long sound of E. Next is sh, I, T, sheet. Sh, O, L, T, short. Sh, O, P, shop. Sh, A, P, E, shape. Sh, A, D, E, shade.